Hi everyone, it's Chris Bishop with Dead Scent. Just wanted to provide a brief tutorial to explain what's inside your Dead Scent system, what you can expect to see when you open up your package. So what you're going to find is a clamshell with your Dead Scent packet inside. Now the clamshell, real nice, is environmentally friendly. It is biodegradable, so you'll be able to go ahead when you're finished using it. This can be recycled. And what you also like to know is that the Dead Scent packet inside is biodegradable, so that can also, once it's exhausted, can be put into the trash and put into a landfill. It will not cause any problems. Nice little tip, you can also rinse it out and use it as a sponge in your house if you want. Real nice. You're simply going to open up your package, and inside you'll notice that there is a fill-to line here inside the clamshell. So you're going to want to add water to that fill-to line, which again is this raised bevel at the base. So before we put the water in though, we're going to go ahead and set this down. And you can just use room temperature water is fine. So we're going to go ahead and add water to the base and add it to the fill-to level. Very good. So we won't open the packet yet. We'll leave this here for a moment. We just want to explain that what we've used here, we recommend using a contained system. You can put your hunting clothes, if you have a room that's smaller, like a closet that no one's going to enter while you do this. We have some people that use a small bathroom, but we also have available a wardrobe, collapsible wardrobe, so once you're done with your treatments, you can go ahead and pull this back up, put it away, store it. Some hunters like to keep their gear inside the wardrobe and store their gear away inside the wardrobe that we provide on our website. So we've already assembled this wardrobe, and just a little tip, when you do put it together, the wire, you'll notice that the wire bracket likes to go one way or the other. If it hangs down, that's not the right way. Flip it over, it actually rests on itself to expand the top frame. Once that's assembled, you can hang your hunting gear inside. We've put a pair of coveralls and a hunting jacket. So this is some decent, weight material. This isn't lightweight hunting gear, but we recommend not crowding the bag so you can allow the gas to travel around the clothing once it's inside. And then to actually do the treatment, it's very simple. We're going to go ahead and open up the packet. Just rip along the top perforation. And you'll note, like we mentioned before, there's a sponge-like material inside. There's a yellow side and a blue side. Very simple. The blue side goes in the water. And I'd like you to note what happens the minute we put this in the water. As soon as we do this, we're going to go ahead and close the clamshell, and we're going to place it in the base of the wardrobe. So notice how it starts to expand very quickly. As the packet absorbs the water, that's allowing the water to come up through the Dead Scent packet and activate the chemicals inside. This will now begin off-gassing ClO2, or chlorine dioxide. We simply place this in the base of the wardrobe, and we're going to zip up the system to keep the gas inside. That's going to be active for 1 hour. So while the treatment's going on, we recommend not opening the bag. When it's done, you can simply unzip the bag to allow it to air out for 5 to 10 minutes before taking your gear out. Once that 5 to 10 minutes goes by, take your gear out, you can put it on and head straight into the field. Yes, you're going to smell almost a chlorine smell, but it's what you're smelling is a refined sodium or a salt smell, salt essence on your clothing. And that masks, your scent is gone. It has removed any of the organic scents that would deter a deer from coming in, or your game animal, whether it be a bear or a moose or elk or muley, whatever you're after. It's going to deter the game from not smelling you, and they're going to actually like the smell of the salt. So we hope that you enjoy the system. Again, things are biodegradable. It's simple. You can pack this in and out of the field very easily if you're hunting at a camp. There's no electricity involved. And again, environmentally friendly system. So we hope that you enjoy Dead Scent, and feel free to visit our website to check out some more information on us.